Where is the curve? Princess is here.
Say next. Sitting home, watch my gram, who vex me? I want like a rule, girl, I chase them checks.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking so ridiculous right now. So I'm here with a video for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. My light is so bright, I'm literally yeah, so I'm here with a try on video for you guys. I have been holding onto this box for months just so that when I'm filming, I feel like this is the first time, well, will be the first time that I see these products. So I have luckily got sent some dresses from a company called JJ's House. They're verified and everything. They got loads of followers. This video was meant to be for prom, the prom times. Like I got sent this. No, they emailed me around prom time, and I thought, oh my god, this is the perfect video. And then the products didn't arrive until after prom had gone. So I was like, fuck, what do I do now? But I have to get the video done. So if you're watching this and you don't have an occasion to go to yet, you might want to consider going to their website, looking at these dresses, and they have, it was so hard to pick the dresses I wanted. They have the nicest dresses, literally, for occasions, prom, evening, wedding. Like, this is proper dress. This ain't scatty dress. This is proper dress out. So I'm excited to see what these products are going to look like on me, and I'm excited to show you guys as well. So the dresses, there's only 3, so this is the miniest of miniest try on hauls. I know. I like it. I like this. I feel like the model looked better, but Princess is here. Guys, I love this. I don't know where I would wear this to. I think I'd definitely steal a show with this dress. Like, I could not walk into a wedding like this. I'm the one getting married. Don't fuck it. The material feels very like cardboardy. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very cardboardy in this bit. I guess that's a good thing. And I can see that it's padded here, so it's like you're wearing a bra. But you're not. And this is the back, guys. A nice V open back, and the rest is history, honey. I love this dress, but I feel like there could be more to it. It looks very paper mache-y, and but I wish you could see it on the floor, but my camera doesn't go that much down, but it's literally sweeping the floor. So this is the dress off the floor, so you can imagine it's just sweeping on the floor. I don't remember getting this dress at all. I don't remember getting this dress, but it's supposed to even go this way. What the fuck? This is not hugging my figure. Where is the curves, fam? This needs to be tighter. Definitely. I knew I'd have a situation with one of these dresses. I wanted this to be tighter, but it's very baggy. The back's nice. I'd say this is, oh god, I mean, fucking mess, but it's something. It's something. We can make it look cute. It's fine. There's a train going on. It's literally training on the floor. You guys won't be able to fucking see. It's ridiculous. But this is the train that goes at the back. So I'd say this is definitely a fucking bridesmaid dress. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed because I didn't expect. I expected to look like the model, you know, and back out, but it's just looking like it's very plain. The only thing I like about this dress is the back, the detail at the back, but this just looks like fucking curtain, to be honest. Oh my gosh, guys. Are you joking? I had to keep the showstopper till last because this is way too much. Yeah, you're not supposed to wear this with the bra. Let me pop the bra off. Let me pop the bra off. I came here to stop the show, honey. There's sequins all over the floor, my gosh. And this fits like a glove. I could probably pull off a size 6, only because I can feel it like kind of hanging down. I don't know if that's supposed to be the style, guys, but it's absolutely stunning. Are you joking me? I don't even know, like, I'm here to collect my award. I'm joking. Guys, there's a little bit of a train going on as well. I wish I could. My camera's pissing me off. My room space is pissing me off because I know you guys are going. Someone's gonna comment saying, "I wish we could see the bottom." I don't have that much room space, but that is the tiny train that's kind of like sweeping across the floor. So this is definitely like a proper occasion dress, but it's I'd say the best out of all of these dresses. Here to collect my awards. Thank you guys so much for nominating me for the best YouTuber. I am absolutely overwhelmed by all the support and the love from my subscribers and my viewers, and I just want to say that I hope you guys are ready for my next video, and I just appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much, guys. But yeah, actually all the dresses are a size 8. If you're like my sort of shape and my sort of weight, then I'll say you can probably pull off a 6 if you want a snug fit. This is already snug fit, but if you want that extra tight fitted feeling, then I'd say you can go for a 6 as well. Unfortunately, that is all for this video. I know it was very short, but that's all they sent me, and I guess because their dresses were quite pricey, like I think this dress is 150 something, the other dress was 200. They're pretty expensive. I didn't understand why, but hopefully when I become a bigger YouTuber, it wouldn't matter what price, they just want to send me loads of clothes anyway. But I hope this video gave you guys an insight into what they sell on their website, the type of dresses. They have nice dresses on there. You guys should check out their website if you have an upcoming occasion and you're looking for a dress. Honestly, it was hard to pick 3 dresses. But that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was small, but still hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked any of these dresses, and I'll put all the links in the description box. Also follow me on my new Snapchat, which is Vanessa Black with 2 C's, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.